Hi guys, this is Mr. Capert. In this video, I'm going to show you roughly how to make the base. I actually don't know how the base of this figurine works. That's really up to you, but I'm going to give you some ideas on how you could possibly model it once you figure out how it works. So you want to do a new part file. And the base is made up of two different parts. I'll just show you one part because they're going to be similar to each other. Now you could start by doing, see, there's multiple ways you could actually do this. So your figurine sits on a base, whatever you guys think it is. Don't use my numbers because I'm just going to use whatever. You could do that, and then you could extrude that base and extrude it to whatever you guys think it should be. All right, and then it hollowed out probably, so you'd want to do another sketch on top of this one. And you got to decide what you want this wall thickness to be. I would dimension it like that. That didn't do it. There you go. So whatever you think the wall thickness should be. If you think it should be a 1/4 inch, do a 1/4 inch. Finish that. And then you want to extrude this now. Make sure you touch that circle. You want to actually do a cut probably. Now you don't want to cut all the way through. You can push and pull on it like that, or you can just tell it how far to go, 1.75. So you got kind of a base for your figure to stand on, and then you definitely need two holes for your string to go through. And you'll want to figure out what you want that to be. And you can do them both at the same time. Make sure you center them. You do that using this dimension tool. So you could do that. All right, and then you would do the same thing for the other circle, and then you could go from here to there. Actually, that doesn't matter. So you could do whatever you want and then dimension this one however far in you want it to be. So you probably want them to be the same though to go through the foot. Finish that. And same thing, extrude. You need to select these circles though, and then change this to cut. And then you have some kind of base, and I don't know how you guys want to do this actually. And then there should be another piece that goes up and inside of here, and you probably just want to do the reverse of this. A similar shape, but make it so the diameter of it is the same as this inner diameter, and it would fit right up inside of here. And you may want to put holes into it. You may want to do recessed holes too. For instance, because I know on the other example I have, there's the holes are recessed, so you could go something like this, and you'd want to dimension these by going like that. And then what you guys could do is an extrude. Make sure you choose the right thing. Cut, but this time not go all the way through. So that's how I know the zombie boy, one of the pieces has where they're recessed. They call this a recessed hole. So if you had a bolt, it would recess into here and it'd be flat up on top. That's why people use that. Hope this helps.